me If you're feeling down, depressed and lonely, I know a place where we can go. 22 Acacia Avenue. Meet a lady that I know. So if you're looking for a good time and you're prepared to pay the price, 50 quid is all she asks for. Everybody's got their vice. If you're waiting for a long time for the rest to do their piece, you can tell her that you know where. You might even get it free. So anytime you got the East End, don't you hesitate to go. You can't take my honest word for it. She'll teach you more than you can do.
You get too close and the chill runs down my spine.
Please don't touch, I shake so much. Please don't touch, I shake so much. She's got her gloves on me, 'cause I ain't fighting, baby, can't you see? Sneaking up the stairway, running like a thief. Spend the night just shaking like a leaf. Remember the first time I took her to a cheap motel.
Woke up drunk, you know I felt like Eskimo now.
Ha! Please don't touch, I shake so much. Please don't touch, I shake.
Não se acabou. Na hora que vamos descer aí, tá? Se ele for da van, você tem coisa aqui. Para esse negócio aí. Olha quem voltou pra mim. As minhas moedinhas.
You're taking my heart, you're taking my soul. Come on, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. you inside. You're taking my